So what's up guys? If you're wondering what are the advantages on getting a premium account than not getting a premium account or being a free member rather than a premium member, you're in the right video because I'm going to explain you all the advantages, or at least the most important advantages on getting this premium account. So keep watching. One thing you will probably don't like about the free section, or the free area, is that you get always ads. So for example, let's go here and let's go to scale up. Where is it? Yeah, you got here, scale up. You're starting, you read it, okay, perfect. Then you just click on the video reproduction and you will get these ads here. These ads may annoy you, distract you while studying, but it's okay. There are other type of ads which are essentially like video ads. They will pause your video for 5 seconds and yeah, they will distract you. So if you don't want to get those ads, you can get always the premium section or the premium membership and get in the premium section in which there are no ads in the video. So other thing you will see in the free area and the premium area is essentially ads. Let's choose a free area. As you can see, we're in the mass balance course free area. Let's go for the scale up and basis of calculation here. And let's choose exactly the same thing in premium area, scale up and basis of calculation here. So as you can see, it's same article, same class. The first thing you are going to notice is that you got this huge ad here about hotels in Cancun and how much, and if you want to see some details. Whereas here you can just see, read, and finish your concept. As you can see, it's exactly the same content here, but you are just reading. Whereas here you got this huge image which probably will distract you if you want to actually study and you're like, oh, I want to go to Cancun. You click here and you will get lost. So if you want to get rid of those ads, please click in the premium version and get them. It's totally worth it. And the first thing you will notice, I think, is these continuous blocks to the right. You have the search block, which is okay. You have this donate button, which is huge. This YouTube button or section, which is also huge. This like us in Facebook webpage or widget here, and a subscribe button. So that's for free. If you don't want to see that, because yeah, maybe the first time is okay, you subscribe to YouTube and you have direct access to YouTube and you subscribe to the webpage in Facebook and you may donate whatever and you get subscribed. But once you've done that, you're going to be watching that every time you go, and this distracts a little bit. And especially if maybe eventually I'm going to add here an advertising site, and that will distract you. You can see how this looks way better. Clean, you see, read, you don't get distracted with the blocks to the right, and you got way more space. So that's one advantage on getting the premium account. So for example, we are in this class number 1, which is the theory and basic concepts. One thing you will see here is that you have this YouTube video, and I don't know in your experience, but my experience, YouTube sucks in loading good and fast, and it has ads and whatever. So that's one thing here. If you really want to study with no problems, no waiting for loading and stuff, you should get the premium account because everything is loaded here in Vimeo. It's faster, it's better, I think it's way beautiful. The screen is better, look at that. You can change everything, whatever. So that's one advantage. Everything is in Vimeo in the premium section. For the not premium or free area, you got it in YouTube. You want to see these problem sections. If you have free access, you will not be able to see this section. You can see this web page, and you can still see what type of problems do we have: continuous tank reaction, a flow of CO2 in a pipeline, multiple units, equilibrium, whatever. You can choose whatever, but if you have a free account, you will not be able to open this. Since I have an open account and I'm logged in, I can see it. So look how I got this video. I can see how I explain it. I read it for you, explain the problem for you, and I solve the problem for you. So let's jump. Here is the explanation. I'm giving you that there's a difference. I use different colors for you to understand easily. And yeah, essentially, you will not be able to access this if you have a free account. So just to let you know how many problems we have around 120 in this course. So let me just show you how many do we have. We have 40 in the first section. Let me take away that. You got, even though it says 80, it's only per numbers, so it's 40, actually 40. Then we got this in the block number 5, it's around also 40. Block number 3 is also around 40 something, yeah, 45, 44, whatever. And this transient state, which is only the 10% of the content, we got only 9. So you have a lot to practice. Everyone or every link takes you to a video. So that's a good thing on having a premium account. Atomic species mass balancing. Let me choose that also in the premium one. Atomic species mass balance. So you got these bars and you got maybe ads in here and YouTube videos, and that's everything. You do not have nothing here. Now, when you're in the premium section, you can see this video here, and not only that, you can leave a reply here. So if you got any doubt or any question, you can ask it. For example, I got a doubt in minute 344. Could you help me? And yeah, let's post that. I will get a notification and I will answer you as soon as possible, as fast as possible, because you are a premium member and you deserve it. And probably you are urgently needing that. So you're studying, maybe your exam is in a few days. I'm going to answer for that. Whereas in YouTube, I will get a lot of comments, and if I don't have time, I will, yes, of course I try to answer them, but it's not my priority. I prefer attending my premium members. I think one of the best or top stuff or main content is that you can ask me any doubt, any question, or even comment me about the video. So if you are studying and you don't know why I use this number or why I got this subtraction, not multiplication, why I did that, not that, whatever, you can always ask that here. For example, question 1, I got no clue what you did in minute, I don't know, 8:03. Question 2, could you another time, letter A, and always be thankful if you really are, and post it. When I get it, I will of course do a SAP and answer your questions. Please be very specific. The more specific you are, the better I can answer you. Let's click on the library, the mass balance library, and you can find here a lot of stuff. Let me just see. The first thing I have here is slides. You can see these slides. If you have a premium account, you can see all these slides. So if you're interested in studying the overview, you can load it here. Probably if you've seen my videos before, you recognize this presentation. Maybe you are interested in the introduction to mass balance. You don't like clicking pause in the video and reading. You can have it. Whatever here, blah, blah, blah. You have everything. You got single phase, you got multiple phase, and transient state, and also a small conclusion. You can go to the library and you will see that you have extra features, for example graphs, charts, and many other media. You can see what I've used before or in the class, for example air composition, some diagrams, let's say C chart, I want to see some TXY diagrams, and I just open them here. Oops, it's kind of huge. You got the diagram here, you got the composability here, you got these TXY diagrams. So that's cool because sometimes I refer to material and you don't know how to get it or how to search on internet. You got everything you need here. And if you have doubt, you can even leave a doubt or a question. So for example, what is a TXY diagram? Or I don't know, maybe you have a comment. I don't like this one because it's 0% and actually it's not 0%. I can explain you why that graph has 0%. I've solved some documents. I got Excel sheets and whatever. For example, Word documents, all that stuff. Maybe I add some equations, formulas, whatever. And this time, for this document or mass balance document, I downloaded all, well, uploaded all these problems. So if you go to the problem sections, you will read many times that they tell you, do this in a computer or do this with the help of a software, whatever. You have everything here. So let me, as you can see, it's loading here. And let me open it. So it's in Excel, it's going to take time, but one thing you can do is also leave your reply here. You got a version different to that one, or you cannot open it, or you cannot understand something, whatever, you can always send me a reply here or a message, and I will answer you ASAP. So let's open the Excel here, is opening. So yeah, you can see it. Probably you will have no clue right now, but if you are doing the problem, you will understand everything. Antoine constant here, the vapor pressure here, and the addition of pressure times the mole fraction. So that's how you get more material to study. So those are some features in the premium account. You still get to get your mail in the special members list. So every time I get something special, you will be the first to know. Or if I got some courses or extra material, you will only receive that, not any members. And yeah, that's one thing. And of course, I always like to keep something extra, something new. So something you didn't pay for, but want to show you my gratitude, so you can, I don't know, maybe get some extra material or maybe get a booklet or a blog post especially for you guys, whatever. There's always something extra, some surprise for you, and hopefully that's enough for you to get a premium account. If you have questions on how to get a premium account, just go to the fact section. And thank you very much, guys.